Alright, so if you want to get more and more sales on Amazon, so there are only three ways to do that. One is PPC, second is images, your product page images, number three is your product page content, like your title, your bullet point, and your description. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing with you exactly step by step how to write your listing content in such a way that it will be good for readers and it will be good for SEO point of view as well. Because if your listing content is good, your title, bullet points, your description tells all the story and all the specification about your product and contain all those specific keywords that people are searching to find your product, then your listing will stand out and sell more. Because if your listing content is good enough to convince your buyer to purchase your product and it is good from SEO point of view, so people who are searching for that particular product can reach out to your listing. So in that way, you can get more and more traffic and the listing quality will convert that traffic to sales. So I hope you understand now how important your content is. So let's see how we can just find some keywords and how we can just do some research on our competitor so we can also write a good content for our listing. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here on my computer screen, I have such a product, Carol Wheat Bowls, and this is a product for which I have to write content today. So that's why I'm just taking this product as an example for you, so you will understand that how we can do the research on our competitor and how we can find out some keywords and then how we start writing our content. So first of all, go to Amazon, search for that particular product and open some listings of your competitor that are selling the exact product as yours. Because in our content, we need to explain the features of that product. So if the feature of that product are present in your competitor's product as well, so then you need to study your competitor listing first. So as you can see here, I have opened two competitor listing right now because you need to study two listings to compare the quality. So now let's suppose I don't have any information, I don't have any technical information for this product right now, let's suppose. So by reading the title, by reading the bullet points, I need to know that what are the qualities of this product. So from the picture I can see that these are bowls. Okay, these are colorful bowls, these are 4 bowls. If you go down, if we start reading the bullet points, you can see that the number 1 bullet point is environmental health. Like this word define that this product is eco-friendly. It's not use plastic in this material or any hazard material which are dangerous for human body if they eat some food in the bowls. So this product is environmental friendly, having food grade material, non-toxic, odorless. So the first point is this product is eco-friendly. So now I can just open the notepad here to start writing the feature bullet point. So number 1 point is eco-friendly. So let's go to number 2 point, lightweight and unbreakable. So that shows that people want lightweight product, not too heavy, and they don't want their product to be easily break. So the second quality is lightweight and unbreakable. So point number 3 tells us that it is dishwasher and microwave safe. So this point explains us that when people purchase these kind of bowl, they want to put their food into these bowls, then they want to put the food in the microwave so they can make that food ready to heat. So if these bowls are not microwave safe, then people cannot use it in a microwave and they will not like this product. So that product must be a microwave safe, and secondly, that product must be a dishwasher safe. So you can just wash these bowls into your dishwasher and you don't have to wash them manually by your hands. So point number 3 is dishwasher and microwave safe. So let's go to point number 4, multiple use. So multiple use means we can use these bowls in parties, picnics, campings. So this is not a feature, but we can say that. So multiple use, because our competitor has mentioned this point in the listing. So that means people want these kind of bowls which they can use at multiple events, which they can use anytime, anywhere. In my opinion, this point is useless because everyone knows that if they are having a bowl, so they can use it anywhere. But for the sake of the SEO and for the sake of making listing and bullet point goods, we have to write this point like this product is having multiple use, and we have to tell all the best possible use, like you can use it to eat dinner, lunch, you can go to picnic and party, you can just carry that bowl, or if you are having party at your home in the garden, so you can just serve the food to your guests in these bowls. So these kind of things you can write here, because the picnic, the party, the camping, so these are the keywords that are searched by the people. People might search like I want wheat career bowl for picnic, bowl for parties, bowl for camping. So people might search for that. So we have to put these keywords in the listing. And the last point is 100% customer satisfaction. So this point is like general point, and we can use this point for any product, because every customer needs satisfaction, and they need to know that if they don't like the product, so they can return or not. So in point number 5, we can just write the written policy about the quality and guarantee of the product, and if you don't like the product, so we are available for exchange or return. So this point is very important. So we have to put this point at last point of the bullet point. We can write it here, customer satisfaction. So now we have read the bullet points of our competitor, and now we are having 5 points in mind, like what are the 5 features that we have to write, we have to explain to our customer in our bullet point. So now let's have a look on title. So title is one of the most important things that plays a great role in displaying your listing to your customer. Like if we design your title in such a way that it is not grammatically correct, but from the keyword point of view and from the SEO point of view it is correct, then it will be a very good point, because people don't care about grammar, people care about reading the qualities they want, and Amazon SEO algorithm also. So you can see that unbreakable Carrel bowls, this is a very good keyword. I'll show you later that how you can find those keywords. And then eco-friendly soup, rice, Carrel pasta salad bowl. So you can see that they have covered these keywords as well. Dishwasher and microwave, again they have mentioned the quality in title. So they have designed a title in such a way that it explains people like how many pieces are there, 4, how much ounce the size is, 24, the quality is eco-friendly, you can use it for soup, rice and pasta. The quality of these bowls are they are dishwasher and microwave safe. They are healthy kitchen bowls for kids and adults. So they have mentioned this thing as well, like you can use it for kids, you can use it for adults. So if a customer buying for their kid having confusion in their mind, so they can just read the word kids, so they can just purchase. So these are the little points that helps your listing to get conversion, to get sales. And at the starting they put their brand name. So now I will show you that where they find these keywords. Okay, so when you go down this tab here, so this is the ASIN of this product. So you have to copy the ASIN of this competitor, and then you have to go to Helium 10, and then you can just click on Cerebro. There you have to put the ASIN. Make sure your market must be selected correctly, Amazon.com, and if you're selling in some other market, you can just select your market here, and then you can get the keywords here. So if you don't know about Helium 10, that what it is, it's the best tool for Amazon seller to finding and researching competitors. Like from Helium 10 you can just find all the keywords that people are using, people are searching to find your product, and you can just spy on your competitors. You can just see like on which keyword your competitors are ranking, so you can just find out the data of all those keywords, and then you can use all those keywords in your content. So in that way you will be able to know the number of searches of those keywords, and you will be able to compare that which keyword are highly searching and which keyword are not. So that will help you to make your decision like which keyword you want to use in your content, you want to use in your PPC, or which keyword you can skip. So if you also want to get Helium 10, so you can just find out the link in the description below. So if you get a subscription of Helium 10 from my link, you can get up to 50% discount. So let's move on to the topic. From here you can see that I have just done the reverse ASIN of that competitor, and by doing so I have just found out all those keywords here. You can see that on the left side, bowl microwave safe, classic Carrel bowls, microwave safe bowls, Carrel bowl set of 4. So that is showing me that what are the keywords that people are searching who are willing to purchase this product, and what are all those keywords on which this competitor is ranking. So we can find out the keywords from here. You can see that here is the search volume of those keywords, here is the competing products. So you have to find all those keywords who are having a good search volume and having low competing products, so we can rank our product on low competing keywords, so we don't have to put a lot of money in advertising, we can just rank easily. So after finding out all those keywords, you have to make sure that you have to write bullet points keeping in mind that in each bullet point you have to explain this property, and after writing that bullet point you need to index all those keywords which you have find from here on that bullet points. So writing a bullet point is a long task, so it take me almost 1 hour. So I have already done the research on keyword and write the content of my listing, because if I start writing content in this video, so that will make this video too long. So I have just wrote the content, so I can just show you here. You can see that this is the content like bullet point, description and title. If I zoom in here, so I can just show you, you can see that these are the 5 bullet points, and you can see that these bullet points are explaining these features. So you can see that number 1 bullet point says it microwave and dishwasher safe. Number 2 says it's strong and lightweight. Number 3 is eco-friendly. Number 4 multiple use. Number 5 satisfaction guaranteed. So you can see that I have just shuffled the arrangement of all those bullet points, so we can be different from our competitor, and I have just changed all the words like the lightweight and unbreakable. I have changed for strong and lightweight. So you can just shuffle the keywords, but you have to make sure that your message must be same. So after writing the bullet point, you can see that I have just highlighted all those keywords in yellow color, which I have just found from Helium 10. And I know that people are searching these keywords, and these keywords are low competitive and having good searches. You can see that plastic reusable bowls, microwave safe bowls, Carol bowls, plastic bowls, reusable, eco-friendly, wheat straw fiber. So you can see that these are the keywords I have just found from Helium 10, which are low competitive and having high searches. So when I write the content of my listing, the title, bullet point and description in such a way that they explain all the quality of my product, they are reader friendly and they are SEO friendly as well in terms of keyword. So if you also follow these techniques to write the content of your listing, then you can observe that the conversion of your listing will be too much high. So after watching this video, go there, find your keywords and rewrite the content of your listing. And then after 1 or 2 weeks, come back here and write down your experience in the comment box below, that how much sales you have increased after revamping your content. Because I experienced this thing by myself, that every time when I revamp the content of my listing, I observe the increase in sales. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any question regarding Amazon, e-commerce or anything, you can just ask me in the comment box below, or you can just schedule one-on-one call with me from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.